It's okay for all that we record. It's okay.
Yeah, it's okay for me.
Okay, then let's start. So then we can start presentation. Ege, you shared the screen, but I don't see anymore what happens.
Can't you see my screen? I'm sharing it right now. Wait, I'll try again. Can you see it right now?
Yes.
Yeah.
Super.
All right. So hello everyone. This is our presentation that we prepared yesterday, as all of you know. Okay, so start. These you already know these contents, so I don't think I have to cover what they are. Let's start with the definition of a stock index. We always see these little charts here everywhere on the internet, on the television, but a stock index. I thought to be literate in the finance industry, we must first learn. We must first know what the stock index is, and it's basically a measurement of a value of some or all the shares in a stock market compared to the earlier results of the market. They are generally weighted in order to reflect the relative size and significance of different stocks included in that index. So I think, Artis, you can explain this part.
Yeah, I'm gonna continue. So why are stock indexes important? And they are like measures for the price changes of specified group of stocks. They show like very good about the economic situation in the world, especially about the American, the SP 500, and others as well. The indexes are most often used as benchmarks against which investors and money managers can measure their own investment performance, and yeah, that's as well. And yeah, as here is mentioned, that the index can help investors find sectors in the market that are performing better or worse than the overall stock market. So basically, the stock indexes allows you to like invest in more than one company in one time. And it's like different from investing in one stock. So you can invest in, I would say, for example, 10 companies, 20 companies. That's depends on the stock index, and yeah. So we can go to the next one.
All right.
This is mine.
Okay.
Yeah.
There are three types of stock indexes. The they can be classified in the geographical provenance of the actives or the components of the buyers of actions. It can be national, only country assets, international assets from the country and different ones, and global assets from all the world. Another type is of companies that a stock index contains. It can be classified in sector indexes, companies of a specific sector, and intersectoral indexes. All type of companies, doesn't matter the sector. The last type of stock index is about the type of assets that contains. It can be a variable income index composed of shares, a fixed income index composed of bonds and obligations, and raw material index like oil, gold, silver, etc.
This is my part.
So these are the main
This is a map of the main stock indexes in the world. based on the value in the benchmarks. And we can see the NYSE and Nasdaq are the bigger one, the biggest ones, and then follows the Japanese and the Chinese one. And then, of course, all the other, even the Europeans, first of all, the London Stock Exchange and the Euronext. This is the benchmark, the leaderboard, if you want to call this like that. That we can see, as I said, New York and Nasdaq in the first and second place, and then Japan Exchange Group, London Stock Exchange, and Shanghai Stock Exchange.
Christina?
These are the main stock indexes in Greece. There are Composite Index. There are Athens Global Traders Index Plus, Athens Large Cap, Athens Mid Cap Index, Athens Factor Weighted Index, and Athens Market Index. These are the 6 most important stock indexes.
This is the most important stock index in Italy. Most important one is the FTSE MIB. That is the Borsa di Milano, the index of the stock exchange in Milan. And this incorporates all the 40 most traded Italian companies, and is administered by the London Exchange Group, which has incorporated the Italian stock in 2009.
So the main stock index in Turkey is Borsa Istanbul, abbreviated as BIST, like here. It's the sole exchange entity of Turkey. It dates back to 1866, and it includes the stocks from 100 biggest companies in Turkey. And I thought the slogan was interesting, so I decided to include it in the slide. It's worth investing.
The main stock index in Spain is called IBEX 35, and it's prepared by, I think, almost 50 Spanish markets.
So, Latvia stock market OMX Riga. The OMX Riga index is a major stock market index which tracks the performance of all companies listed on the main and secondary lists on the Riga Stock Exchange in Latvia. It's a free float capitalization weighted index. I can tell for myself that there you can find most of the Latvian and Baltic countries companies. In the Nasdaq stock market also you can find them. There's the first and the second one. In the first one you can find the better one companies which has like more money and they're just more successful, and in the second one there are like cheaper ones. And stocks usually in this stock market that are not like very expensive. It goes up to, I would say, a few hundreds, but yeah, you can like start and train in this stock market. And the Euro Stocks 50 index. It's the Europe's leading blue chip index for the Eurozone, provides a blue chip representation of super sector leaders in the region. The index covers 50 stocks from 11 Eurozone countries. The index is licensed to financial institutions to serve as underlying for a wide range of investment products, such as exchange traded funds, ETFs, futures, options, and structured products. And I also added a Warren Buffett's quote: "Price is what you pay, value is what you get." That's about the, I would say, losses and the knowledge what you get from them.
So thanks for listening. If you have any questions or anything you would like to add, you can share your thoughts about the presentation.
So actually, I'm really happy for what you did. So it's really great presentation, and you're really hard workers, and now you know everything of stock market, basic things, and I hope you will be good brokers in stock market.
I hope so.
So now we have another one group. We have group C. So Arti, please switch on your camera.
Yeah.
Okay, artists, what's up?
So
Now yesterday's group C as well prepared within 2 hours great presentation. And please, Arti, manage your presentation right now, okay? Can you share?
I gotta find the link again. Yeah, I'm gonna try. Wait, give me a second, please.
So, Fiore and Manuel, do you have camera? Christina, Ege switch off.
Yes, I'm trying to turn it on, but it doesn't work. Let me 1 second if I can do it.
Yes.
I've explained it yesterday. My camera is broken, so if I have to join with my phone.
Okay. Nice to see Manuel.
Hey, hello.
Hey, Manuel.
Today we are more as yesterday, because yesterday we were only 5 in each group. Today we should be 10. But I see not all. Okay, artist is ready. So maybe, yeah, better. Slideshow. So Arti, please manage your group presentation.
Okay. I can't see how it's looking in the Max 15, so I don't know. Is it good? Because I can't see if it is on slideshow or it's not. I don't know. I think it's not.
Yes, it is.
It
Right
is.
now is slideshow. Yes.
Okay.
Again, no.
Again?
No, again, no slideshow.
It's on that Google thing.
Okay.
Yeah, Google thinking instead of you.
Yeah.
You can push the button Radit.
Yeah. Radit.
Says it's loading. Okay. I think it's already.
It's okay. Perfect.
Okay, contents of our work. Okay, I don't know if this slide is really needed, but we left it. So in this presentation, we show what is stock index, what is it for, different types of stock indexes, main stock index, what is Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and Nikkei, and some else. Then we are showing out our main stock index in our countries, and of course the Eurostock 50. So what is stock index? Rosalba.
their benchmark index. It's an index that corresponds to a static composite of figures that try to reflect stock changes.
Okay. That's everything, yeah? Okay. Next slide.
And right now, I can talk about the benefits of a stock index. A stock index can be simply used for measurement the price and return performances of stocks that are traded on stock exchange, and these measurements can be made on both holistic and sectoral basis. You can pass the next. And in this way, it's possible to follow the changements, the economic performance of each stocks. And for example, you can text the next. Here is a comparison of three major US stock index: Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and S&P 500. And here we can see at March 2007, all three have the same age, but around 1995, in the late of 90s, Nasdaq collapsed, and thanks to stock index, we can all observe these changements. That's it for me.
Okay, different type of stock indexes. So most likely there are three common types of these indexes. Like it's global index, which like tracks equality from around the world, and it's like showing a lot of stocks and indexes. Then it's regional. It's more like stock index that track equalities from specific regions around the world, from instance, and these indexes may cover Asian, Europe, or Latin American, something like that. And then there's national indexes, which are normally stock indexes, provide exposure from individual countries, like for example, like Latvia and Spain, Italy, and some facts about, I don't know if it's a true fact, but Google told me there are about 5,000 stock indexes only in the US. I'm not really sure about that. Sorry for that. And in worldwide, I know there's many more stock indexes that you can find in our planet, in our world.
The main stocks index are Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq, Small Cap, S&P, DAX, and S&P TSX, and Bovespa.
Okay. Unfortunately, I don't think Maria is in the presentation, so I can try to presentate for her. And she's from Greece, and in Greece the main stock index is the Athens Stock Exchange, if I'm not wrong, and it started trending in the 180.76. Its day-to-day running has been assigned to Hellenic Exchange's Athens Stock Exchange, and it's public from it has been public from the year 1918, and in 2002 the Athens Stock Exchange deviated merged from okay, I'm sorry, don't know how to read it, the text. And facts that affect the stock exchange are the accession of Greece on monetary, economic unification, and stock exchange crash of 199, which marked of the lives of many Greek families. IBEX 35.
IBEX 35 is the most important is the most important of Spain, and it is made up of the 35 liquid companies that are listed on the Spain stock market interconnection system of the 4 Spanish stock exchanges. The IBEX certified was launched on January 14, 1992. The largest daily rise in the IBEX 35 occurred on Monday, May 10, 2010, where it rose 14.43%. This rise occurred due to the approval of the European Rescue Plan after the second worst week of the index in its history, because the first was in October 2008.
The FTSE MIB is the most significant stocks index of the Italian stock exchange. The Italian benchmark index started on 31 December 1992 with the name Commit 13 with a base value of 100 points. The historical record of the index was reached during the session of the 7 March when it reached so many points, with the one on the closing price took place the day before at so many points.
And here we can all see the main stock index in Turkey. That's BIST 100, which is named also Borsa Istanbul. That's an index that is the basic indicator to measure the performance of the top 100 stocks in Turkey in terms of market and trading volume, which are traded on Borsa Istanbul. And BIST 100 was founded 5 April 2013 and was located in Istanbul, Sarıyer, in Turkey. And here is the key people of BIST 100. Erişah Arıcan is the chairperson and Mehmet Hakan Atilla is the CEO. And its currency is the Turkish lira.
And so the main stock index in Latvia. As you may know and heard before, it's OMX Riga. It's the largest stock market for all companies. The companies' results, like OMX Riga, you can see the on their stock, you can see Latvian companies ups and downs, but there are not really that many Latvian companies. There are like companies like you may heard like Grindex in Latvia and some like that. And which is another index I heard about is Nasdaq Riga, which is working in Latvia as the one of the big as the big stock index. It's in other countries of course too, and it's like it's not only Riga or Latvia Nasdaq. It's like more like in Baltia. It's like it's made a deal with Latvia made a deal or contract with Lithuania and Estonia for them to most like teamwork with this stock index. So we don't make any difficult barriers from Baltic countries. And so our members, not other members, had here some checked about Eurostic 50. Eurostic 50 index includes only companies from countries that have adopted the single currency, the euro. And the Eurostok index is used to measure current situation in the European economy. The calculation of this index takes into account 50 large companies in Europe. The selected companies are called blue chip, meaning they are well established and financially sound. There are some countries that are in this Eurostok 50, if I'm not wrong. And then you can see some facts and some results about Eurostok 50. And yeah, I think that's all for our presentation.
Okay, it was pretty nice to see such good presentation. So
I'm sorry about our member.
It's okay. But you deal very well. So and really good knowledge about the stock market in your countries and Eurostock as well. So and I only can repeat. I hope you will be really good brokers in stock market. So, and you are good presentators as well, and it's really nice. So, and now we will continue with our tasks for the next months. So, and what we should do in the next months. So, at first, I hope you see the screen, Eurostock 50 groups of companies. Do you see this list or not, or only me? Oh, it seems that you see only me. So I hope so. Share again. So now you see the page where is written Eurostock 50, or again not. No? If no answers, that means you don't see.
We see.
We see.
Yeah, we see it.
Looking.
Okay, very good. So guys, for the next months, it's mean January, you should choose one of the group of company where you will work. It means the all companies are split in several groups. One group is consumer group, where is included Adidas, BMW, Daimler, Louis Vuitton, etc., etc. Second group is service and basic materials. Deutsche Post, Deutsche Telekom, Vivendi, etc. So the group 3 is capital goods of healthcare. Airbus Group, Safran, Siemens, Vinci, Bayer. So, Group 4, financial and utilities. Deutsche Börse, Intensa Cap. I can't pronounce it. The group 5th is technology and energy. Iden, Amadeus, etc. Nokia. So, each of you should choose one group of where you will work. Then you will choose choosing this group. What you will do again? You will invest at least in 2 companies of the chosen group. At least, of course, you can invest in more if you have money. So, but at least in 2 companies of chosen group. It means you will choose one group, but you will invest in at least in 2 companies of chosen group. Okay. So and right now.
Okay.
Yeah. Right now.
I want to ask a question.
After, please.
Okay.
At first, you should choose right now the group which is more comfortable for you. And this is from one side, it is a individual work. From other side, it is a teamwork. Yeah, you will work as one person. You will choose one group. You will invest in companies. You will purchase and will sell these shares. So, but you should put everything in the team page. I will show it later on. But right now is the task. Please make choice for your group. What is more good, more better for you? So, and you please write in the chat. So, which group you have? For example, who have consumer group, group 1, group 2, service and basic materials, group 3, capital goods and healthcare. So, finance and financial and utilities. And the last one is technology and energy. Artists make choice for energy. So, okay. So, and here is a lot of groups. Okay. Yes, it is me in group 5.
Teacher, can you show another time the different groups and
so it is a group 1 is consumer goods. Louis Vuitton, B&B, L'Oreal, Pernod Ricard, Unilever, Adidas, and group 2 is services and basic materials, as some telecom companies or host companies. The group 3 is capital goods and healthcare, Siemens, Airbus, Philips. Group 4 is financial and utilities. And the group 5 is technology and energy. And it is good if you write the group number as well, not only energy, but group number as well. Which group you want to see more detailed? Right now is on the screen is group 1 and group 2. Maybe you want to see more, which are down. Very good. I see. Actually, mostly you did it. Of course, you can make choice a little bit later as well. I will show you where you can find this material. So, and you can let me know or put yourself this group number. So, this you can find in Erasmus Twin Space. Do you see on the screen this Twin Space?
Yeah, we see.
Yes. So when you will open the meeting 3 investment funds, then you will see this page where when you scroll down, here is a material PDF file, companies. And if you click on this file, you can open this file for you. Okay. And please feel free, if you don't like your chosen company, then let me know. Okay, today. So, and you can do it one time.
I have a question.
Yes.
If we change our mind or we we are not sure about our choice. How we can tell you?
Yes, it's please write me on email. I will attend of the meeting. Will put my email, so you can write. Or the second one option, you can make a screen picture of companies. What is your choice, and put in your site. I will show where. So, for example here, yes. So, and here you will open, and when you editing this page, you can add here add content to this page, and left side add content. So, and here you can put picture. Yeah, and but it is must fix it before you start sell and buy. You must make choice till January 4. Okay. So it's two options. You do yourself and put here the picture, or you send me and I will do it. So that is about the companies, and of course it's very difficult right now to make right choose and choice, and you can change your mind. This is about companies. So, but the next step, what we should do today is to learn how to buy, how you will buy and how you will sell it. Because on each week, every week, you should do 3 till 10 transactions every week. Yes. So it's starting from January 4, as you see in this infogram, the period where you will work will be January 4 till January 29th. So if we are talking about the share market, the stock market, so maybe some of you know why in summer and till even September, the stock market was even, as we call it, died. But then in one moment, they started again to rapidly grow. Why?
Because of the pandemic and the situation in the world, and also about the Donald Trump and Joe Biden elections. There was a lot of factors in that time, and yeah, I would not like tell all about them, but those were the main things: the elections, U.S. president, and the corona pandemic.
Okay, but why in one moment, it was last month, the stock market started to grow again?
Because like when the summer ended, a lot of people thought that there will be no such a thing like corona, and that's my personal opinion. And so most of the people like started to buy stocks, and the price went up, and yeah.
Maybe some other one have a different meaning. Why last month the stock market started to grow up again? Yes, we have corona. That is the reason why the stock market was practically died. But then in one moment, again started to grow up. It's not because the summer ended. No, it's different reason. Can you imagine? Did you heard what happens in the medicine in last month?
About vaccines?
Yes, yes. And stock market, it was the first who reacted very, very quickly on it. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
And the vaccine even it didn't started to produce it. Just was only that they finishing, some companies finishing researches. So, and the stock market reaction was momentary. Yes, it's absolutely right. So, and okay, let's continue with our task. how to buy and how to sell. And then again, we are going to twin space materials, where we were. So in the page number meeting 3, investment funds. So, and here you see, you will have 10,000 euros per student. You can fix it, and you will have 10 companies to invest, but minimum are 2 companies. So, and each student must publish their purchases and sales on TwinSpace. So, but where to buy and where to sell? Here, investing.com, you should click on. So, and here you see it's Eurostock 50. And when you scroll down, you can see companies. So here you can find your company. So for example, I will make choice for buyer. Okay, but you have to find your company. When the screen is opened, you see what happens here. And if you buy today, you should make either print screen and then cut this picture where should be visible date of purchase. So, or the better one option is go to technical chart. So then in this page you see up to picture is photo, and take picture here. So, and save image. So, and you have a ready image. You can, I think I should save images. For example, buyer. So, and what is the next step? The next step, you should go to the, again, back to TwinSpace. But before you start to publish your pictures on your own site, you should make a photo album. Where is materials? So, and because if you will put pictures here, you can't find it after it. That is why you should make a photo album. So, and create image album. For example, I will create this trying something, but you will, but maybe better, let's start to do that way. Team D, and then create your own album. So I will make my own Inguna Gustav. So, but before, print your team and submit. So when it is done, look, here is my album. So, and here I can put my picture. So, and you can collect all your pictures in one place here. I will try to find where here is my bio. Okay. So I will try that way. Yes, it works, it seems. Oh no. I should open and then I drag here image. So that's I collect in my album all pictures which are made. So is it clear how to make album? and how to collect pictures here from Stockholm. Yes? Okay.
Yes,
Then,
it's clear.
yes, then the next we will go to page. So, and we again open where is meeting 3. Meeting 3. I will open this team example for Gasol. So, and look what should look your page. You will put your companies which you have chosen for investing activity. So here is fixed, and here you will put your activity, sales and the purchase. So you should add item. You should write what you did, sold or bought. The first purchase. So, and then the description. What this does mean, description? Description means that you should write here total cost of shares, what you spent, date, when it is done, it is fixed on picture as well, and remaining budget. It should be obligatory because you can't continue buy something if you have not money anymore. Yes, after each transaction, you should calculate what budget you still have, or maybe you earn something selling something, and then you add image. That you add image from your album. I will find my album. Okay, and put it here, the picture. Now it is done. So I will write here December 17. Now it's 10:55. So okay, and save. So and now it is done. So and that you will continue every week with your activities, and everything should be inserted here in your page. Yes, and one more I will show you how it does look your pages. I will make choice, for example, Team C, Artist Krastinch. So right now your page looks like I did for you this chapter, purchases and sales, and next activities you should do yourself.
Yeah, I know. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. So and it's for each team member. It's that of page. So and at the end, so 3 10 transactions every week, and don't run out of budget, and don't sell more shares.
I got a question. Like, what's the demo budget in that platform?
When I started, I'd explained you that your starting budget is 100,000 euros.
Ah, okay, yeah. Thank you.
So you can find it is as well here, investment funds. So, and here is 100,000 euros per student and 10 companies to invest. It's from your group. You make choice for your group. Is each group are 10 companies. You can invest in 2 companies or 3 or all 10. It's up to you. So, and of course, what will be here, you can find
teacher.
tutorial, and you can find rules, everything what you need more. So, and when it will be finished at January 29th, of course, will be selected the best student and the best team, and will be prizes as well.
Is it known what prizes there will be?
I don't know. If you will be the best one, you will have surprise. The teachers team will decide what prizes will be. It's each teacher teams from all countries. We have meetings and brainstorms and everything actually so on, and maybe masks with math is everywhere logo. It is joke, but I hope so. It will be good prizes for you. So
The richest team and the richest individual user.
yes, individual user and richest team. That means from one side you are working individually, so and you should try to be the best one. So and from other side, it will be richest team. For why we are buying and selling shares, stocks, because we want to earn money. And now you can do it virtually. It's your virtual money. And as more you will get, you are more happy. So do you have, should we keep, no, you will work here in this site. I will show one more time. Here is when you open, it's meeting 3 investment funds. You will open your site, your name. So, and here is fixed. On each picture is fixed remaining budget. You make it manually. Yes, 1,000 euros after first purchase. You will calculate how much money you still have. And if you only will purchase, then you only spent money and I don't know what will be at the end. So, but if you sold something, you earn money and then you will plus in your final budget plus. And finally, you should see how much money you have right now. Maybe one more question, some more questions, because you should be fluent in these activities.
The trading starts at the 4th of
I will
January.
end. Sorry, I want to end at first. Yes, you have your team C and team D, and you can communicate between yourself to each other. One group have WhatsApp chat. Other group you can find the way how you can communicate between each other. So when you start investing, as I told at the start at meeting and one time more later, from January 4 till January 28. This is a period when you start and end. Then January 4 you start and will end January 29. Yes, you're right. So you should open, maybe later you will keep in your folders this link. So where is the meeting 3, number 3, investment funds. So then you scroll down and see here is a lot of tutorial and rules and companies. So and then you should open investing. So when it is opened, then scroll down and look where is your company from your chosen group. If you, for example, make choice for consumer group, then here is Adidas, BMW. So, and let's see, maybe, okay, let's see, here is BMW, your company. So then you click and open the page, BMW group, and here is a picture. So, and you should fix picture where is visible date of purchase or sales. Now is 17 December. So, and now you can go to technical chart. It is more easy to do it that way, not with print screen and something like that. So when technical chart opening, then you see here is photo icon logo. So, and you put push on it. So, and a little bit wait, and then save image. So, and look, here is image BMW published investing in December 17, the time. So, and as well is the purchase price 74.98. Then you keep in your folder and then put in Twinning Space album. As well, you can find here tutorial. Here is tutorial and you make a screenshot, but it's more easy to do with as we did right now. So here is a link if you want. So, and here is how to create album. You should do it at first. So, and then what you should do, add an item on the twin board for each movement. Tātad, I'm sorry, I'm in Latvian. It means number of transaction. If you started in January 4, the transaction will be number 1. And then it's purchase or sale and name of the company. And then in this description part, you will write date, number of shares, bought or sold, price, total amount of the transaction. Of course, for example, if you bought 100 shares for 74 euros, you spent 7,400 euros. And then calculate remaining budget. For the first activity will be 100,000 euros minus the sum which is spent for buying your shares. So then select image from the album and save, and the first action is done. So rules of Eurostock. So here are Eurostock. The activity starts on January 4 and ends at 29th January. 4 weeks from Monday to Friday. And you should do minimum 3 actions, maximum 10 actions every week. So Here is a question. Can I invest in only one company or must I invest in 10 companies of my group? You should invest at least in 2 companies of the chosen group and no maximum. You can invest in all 10 as well. So, what is very important? Don't sell shares if you don't have bought them before. You can't sell it if you have not it. And don't sell more shares than the amount you have. And not run out of budget. Yeah, that is why you should calculate each transaction. So, and of course, ask me all your doubts, help, or if you have some difficulties, and 6 prizes waiting for you. 1 prize for the best investor team, and 1 prize for the best investor student of each group of companies. We have 6 groups. So I check out Ege wrote, okay. Do you have more questions or more or less? Now is okay.
No, I'm good.
Okay.
No
So-
questions, thank you.
Okay, guys, but please feel comfortable. I will write my email right now, and maybe better my WhatsApp. Yes, I think it is better idea. Or both. So my name is Inguna, surname Muskala. So, and my email, I will give my Gmail. inguna.gustava@gmail.com, and WhatsApp is +371 295 667. So this you can contact with me anytime if you have any difficulties. Of course, you have your team leaders, you have team members, but I'm as well here for you. So, and please don't keep any doubts with you. Better to share with us, and we should get a good result. Okay?
Ingona, sorry, this is not right number.
Oh yes, yeah, that is right number. Sorry, Talis, you are okay as always. I see everything. Yes, I'm counting Latvian, and yeah, no is the right number. 29295 667. Please write right number. Okay. So, and in WhatsApp and an email, you can contact with me anytime. Only see the time difference. We have a little bit time difference. With Greece, we have 1 time. With Turkey, right now, we have 1 hour difference, and with Spain and Italy as well. In Latvia, right now, it's 11. So, some more questions, or now it's okay. You can start to think about your tasks. And it would be nice.
For me, everything is clear.
Can you switch on your video again? I want to see you guys.
Me? Oh, everybody.
Everybody, I
yeah.
want to see. Yes. Manuel, are you still here?
Yes, yes.
This is a question of what I'm asking to my students. when we have a mathematics lesson. Are you still here?
We are.
Yes. Yes,
We
you
are
are
not
my best.
eating or making cookies.
Sometimes we are.
You are my best students, really. And this international team, it's really nice. So it would be. Oh, Dalis, hello. We are guys. Group C and Group D are very privileged because we have fantastic IT support. Dalis Measures. And you can ask any question to him as well. I'm sure he will answer to you. Not all teams have that, but we have. So then I want to wish you a Merry Christmas. Oh, Rudīte Liepiņa, the best teacher, are here as well. Where is your video? We want to see as well. No video for teachers. So, okay, guys, I want to wish you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope next year we will see each other in any country. I don't know in which country, but it would be really great again to meet each other. Oh. And in which country you would want to go?
Turkey.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, Turkey as well.
Yes, I visited Turkey every year at least 15 times, and no one time. Okay. Yes, Italy. In Italy we were. It was great meeting in Italy, Montesergio. So, and in Spain, Cordoba. I never been in Cordoba. So let's dream and Happy New Year and Merry Christmas, guys. So you are great.
Merry Christmas.
Rudīte.
Okay,
Rudīte. So you are really the best teams, C and D. Okay. See you then in next meetings. Okay.
Yeah. Merry Christmas.
Merry
Bye.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.